Okay, so let's continue now with Medina Reader Lesson 3. So you can see here there is a handkerchief, okay? And handkerchief is mindilun, or the handkerchief is al mindilu. So it's written here al mindilu, the handkerchief, nadifun. Okay, this is a za. Okay, nadifun is clean. Okay, so that's that one. Now let's move down. The instruction is complete each of the following sentences using one of the words below. Okay, jamilun. Okay, jim, mim, ya, lam. Jamilun. Jamilun. It means beautiful. Wasikhun. Wo, sin, kha. Wasikhun means dirty. Maftuhun. Mim, fa, ta, wo, ha. Maftuhun. And remember, some of these words are, or letters rather, are the stretching ones. Okay. So, for example, this ya stretches this mim kasra. This wall stretches this ta dhamma. Okay. So maftuhun, open. Harun, Harun, ha alif, ra. And again, alif is stretching this ha. Okay. Harun, hot. Thaqilun, thaqilun, heavy. Khafifun, khafifun, khafifun means light. Okay. So you have to pick one of these words and then complete these phrases here. Okay, so let's look at the first one. Al-Hajaru, Al-Hajaru, the stone or the rock. So the word we would use is thaqilun, heavy. Okay, Al-Hajaru, thaqilun, the rock is heavy. Next one, Al-Babu, Al-Babu. Okay, so Al-Babu is the door, and the word will be maftuhun. Maftuhun is open. So you can see this door here is open. Then you can see over here a moon. So the next one is al-kamaru. Al-kamaru, which means the moon. The moon. Al-kamaru. And the word we're going to use is jamilun. Jamilun is beautiful. Al-kamaru jamilun. Okay. Then we've got al-waraku. Al-waraku, okay, which means the paper. So there's no picture, but al-waraku, the word we're going to use is khafifun, is light. Al-waraku khafifun, the paper is light. Then al-mindilu, al-mindilu, the handkerchief. Wasihun, wasihun, is dirty. Al-mindilu wasihun. Then al al-labanu, al-labanu, which is the milk, okay? And we can use harun, is hot. Al-labanu harun, the milk is hot. Okay. Now again it says fill in the blank in each of the following sentences with a suitable word. So this time they haven't given you the words, okay? Okay. So the next one, fill in the blank in each of the following sentences. So again, you've got number one, two, three, four, and so on. Okay. And then here you've got some words. So let's go through the words first. Nazifun. Nazifun is here. Nazifun. Okay. So it's nazifun. And I've filled them in already. Okay. So nazifun. Okay. Which means clean. Okay. Nazifun. So something which can be nazifun, if you remember from the picture, there was a shirt on the washing line, so we'll use al qamisu nadifun. Okay, the shirt is clean. So remember, nadifun means clean. Al qamisu, it's the shirt. Okay. Now the next word here is baridun. Baridun, which means cold. Okay, it means cold. Okay. So baridun means cold, and we can say the water is cold. So we will say al-ma'u baridun. Okay. Then here ba'idun, ba'idun. Okay, it means far away. Okay, far away. Okay. Ba'idun means far away, and we will say al-kamaru ba'idun, which means the moon is far away. Okay. Jalisun, jalisun, which means sitting. Okay, jalisun, sitting, and we will use the word with that al waladu, al waladu, which means the boy. Al waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting. Okay, next one we're going to use is qadimun. It's here, qadimun, which means old. Qadimun, old, and we will say al kitabu qadimun. The book is old. Okay. Then you have got maksurun, maksurun, okay, which means broken, and we're going to use with that al-kalamu, al-kalamu, okay? So these are just words that you can use any word. So you could say al-kursiyu, the chair is broken, al-maktabu, the table is broken, okay? Okay, so you can use any word you want. Al-kursiyu maksurun, which means the chair is broken. Al-maktabu maksurun, but here we've just decided to use al-kalamu. Then next word is karibun, karibun, which means near, near. Okay, and we will say al-baytu karibun, which means the house is near. Then the next one is Waqifun, waqifun, which means standing. Okay, waqifun, standing. We will say al mudarrisu waqifun. The teacher, al mudarrisu, the teacher, waqifun is standing. Okay, next one. Okay, so the next word is kabirun, kabirun, okay, which means big. Okay, so al baytu kabirun, the house is big. Okay, al baytu kabirun, the house is big. Then you've got jadidun, jadidun, okay. Jadidun means new, jadidun means new, okay. Al masjidu jadidun, the masjid or the mosque is new. Okay. So now let's look at some more words. So this just says new words. Okay, let's go through them. Okay, al-kamaru, al-kamaru, which means the moon. Al-kamaru. Now I have written the moon here, but just due to shortage of space, I haven't written the English translation for each. But it's more important to understand the transliteration because this is for those learners who are as of yet unable to read the Arabic, so it will allow you to understand the words and their meanings and how to pronounce them, and so that you can learn how to speak the language of Arabic. Okay, so let's quickly go through the new words. Okay, and we'll cover the next part in the. So let's go through the new words now, the new vocabulary, and we will cover the next part of this lesson, inshallah, in the next lesson. Okay, so Al-Kamaru, Al-Kamaru, the moon. So remember Kamarun, Kamarun was moon. Al-Kamaru, the moon. Jadidun, Jadidun, new. Qadimun, Qadimun, old. Wasikhun, Wasikhun, dirty. Nadifun, Nadifun, clean. Harun, Harun, hot. Baridun, Baridun, cold. Saghirun, Saghirun, small. Kabirun, Kabirun, big. Maftuhun, Maftuhun, open. Maksurun, Maksurun, broken. Thaqilun, Thaqilun, heavy. Khafifun, Khafifun, light. Jamilun, Jamilun, beautiful. Waqifun, Waqifun, standing. Jalisun, Jalisun, sitting. Najmun, Najmun, moon, star. Najamun, Najamun, star. An-Najamu, An-Najamu, the star. Okay, so I'm going to stop here, and the reason is that there is a special rule which you have to understand in order to fully understand and learn these new words. So for today we'll stop here and then we'll continue in the next class.